Today's mindfulness exercise is a guided meditation called Just Like Me. Let's begin by taking a moment to settle into a comfortable position. You may close your eyes or keep them slightly open. Allow your spine to lift and your shoulders to soften. Today, we will practice acknowledging the similarities between ourselves and others. Often, we focus on differences, but understanding that even those who appear very different from us share fundamental similarities that can serve as a bridge to genuine connection. This can include people we don't know very well, those with whom we are in conflict, or even individuals we perceive as enemies. By recognizing our shared human experiences, we can cultivate compassion and understanding. This practice helps overcome feelings of separation and distrust, opening the door to deeper empathy and connection. Take a deep breath in and a long breath out. Another deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring your attention to the sensation of releasing any tension you may be holding in your body. Now, bring to mind someone you don't know well. Perhaps someone who seems distant from you, or with whom you have a minor conflict. As you visualize this person, notice any sensations that arise in your body. Hold this person in your awareness as if they were standing in front of you. Say to yourself, this person has a body and a mind just like me. This person has feelings, emotions, and thoughts just like me. This person has at some point experienced sadness, disappointment, anger, hurt, or confusion, just like me. This person has known physical pain and emotional suffering just like me. This person has also experienced moments of peace, joy, and happiness just like me. This person desires meaningful relationships just like me. This person wishes to be healthy and loved just like me. Take a moment to notice any thoughts, emotions, or sensations arising in this moment. As you hold this person in your awareness, what do you experience? Continue to hold this person in your mind. And now, say to yourself, may they be well, just like me. May they be happy, just like me. May they find peace, just like me. There are many differences between individuals, yet we also share many commonalities. The more we focus on what connects us, the more we can foster understanding, compassion, and resolution. With this person in mind, quietly say to yourself, may we both be well. May we both be happy. May we both find peace. Take a deep breath in and out. Once more, breathe in deeply and out. Gently open your eyes. Notice your surroundings, bringing your awareness fully back to this moment, carrying with you a sense of ease, connection, and compassion. As you go on about your day, remember that each person you encounter carries their own joys and struggles, just like you. See if you can move forward with an open heart, offering kindness, patience, and understanding. Let this practice be a gentle reminder that we are all interconnected in this shared human experience. Take another deep breath in and out. And when you're ready, step into the rest of your day with a renewed sense of presence and connection. Namaste.